Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to transfer heat. Heat, which is a thermal energy, always moves from a warmer object region to a colder one until both reach the same temperature. There are three main ways that heat can be transferred. The first one is conduction, which is heat transfer by contact. Transfer of the heat through direct contact between particles in a solid. Fast-moving particles collide with the slower ones, transferring energy. For example, a metal spoon getting hot while sitting in a pot of soup or touching a hot iron. The second method is convection, which is heat transfer by fluids. Transfer of heat by the movement of fluids, liquids, or gases. Hot fluid becomes less dense, rises, then cold fluid sinks, creating a cycle. For example, boiling water like hot water rises and cooler water sinks, and warm air rising in a room, cooler air replacing it. And thirdly, radiation, which is heat transfer without matter, which includes transferring of heat through electromagnetic waves, which is infrared. Like energy travels directly through space, no medium required. For example, heat from the sun reaching Earth or feeling warmth when standing near a fire, even without touching it. So in summary, you can do conduction through solids or by contact, convection through fluids by movement, and radiation through empty space by waves. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.